Hello everyone, and thanks for watching. The market had a little rip to the upside this morning, which you'll see if you watch this the whole way through. For quick context, I trade the NASDAQ futures. I watched the 30-second chart on Topstep X, which is what you're seeing here. Please feel free to speed things up or skip to the trade I took, which is at the 27-minute and 35-second mark. I also keep a 1-minute thinkorswim chart open on a separate screen that I mark up a bit more, and I have a clean 1-minute chart that I don't have drawings on, but I do have the VWAP and the 9-day EMA on it, so it's not completely clean, but it's clean to me. I'll include screenshots of both of those charts at the end of the video. For now, I'll let the market speak for itself and get back to you in a few minutes. This is a point where I did consider going long but opted against it because we were technically in between levels for me. However, you can see here that we held a quote-unquote 50, as I call it. So we pushed through 23,150 around 9:36, and we pulled back, held it, and continued to the upside. In hindsight, you can see that this opportunity would have worked out, and I did have a feeling that we would climb up to the 20-day SMA, but a feeling is not a guarantee, so I decided to be patient and wait. Here you see us pushing into the 20-day SMA, which is the solid yellow line on my chart. The 20-day SMA is a dynamic level, which is why I changed the level in a few seconds. On my thinkorswim chart, it's a study, so it moves as the market moves. I wanted my Topstep X chart to line up and be a bit more consistent with my thinkorswim chart, so I just decided to go ahead and manually adjust it here. I marked the 23,200 level here because I wanted the visual reference, and I know that we tend to respond to these whole numbers, be it support or resistance. In a few minutes, you'll see that it looks like we're about to push lower, but we hold that 23,200 level. So although it seems like we're rejecting that 20-day SMA, we hold that 23,200 whole number and push back up into the 20-day SMA. You can't see it here in the video, but the volume was increasing too. At 9:55, you can see we pushed beyond the high that was at 9:47. I waited to see if we would pull back and hold the 20-day SMA. We did pull back. We held here. You can see me getting ready to enter the market long as soon as the full 1 minute candle closes. Again, this is the 30-second chart. So I'm waiting for that full 1 minute candle to close. I had a slight drawdown in the trade, but not much at all. I adjusted my profit target to 150, which corresponds with my 25-point goal. I'm taking 3 micros, and each micro contract is $2 per point. My profit target is typically 25 points, so if you do the math, that comes out to 150. The market is so funny because at this time it looks like we're going to reverse, but I was confident in the trade and comfortable with the stop loss that you saw me adjust earlier to the lows beneath 23,200. I wouldn't typically go for a stop loss this high in comparison to where my profit target is, but I didn't want to get stopped out of the trade in the event that we pushed lower again. I was comfortable with that though. This is why it's important to trade with risk you're actually willing to lose so you can let your trades follow through, win, lose, or draw. I was able to secure profits there and closed up shop for the day. The entry price for the trade was 23,236.75. I went long into 23,261.75. Commission fees were a total of $2.22, leaving our total realized gains as $147.78. Not too bad for 2 minutes and 2 seconds. As promised, this is a screenshot of my 1 minute Thinkorswim chart. I have a channel trend drawn here. I marked the chart with the gray box you see after we held the 23,200 level, pushed above the 20-day SMA, and pulled back. It's really just there for my visual reference. This is the same image zoomed in and without the channel trend drawn. This is the chart free of drawings with the VWAP and 9-day EMA. The squiggly line you see at the top is the upper band of the VWAP. I think it's always nice to have a clean chart so you can review the market without the added noise. That's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're taking this one day at a time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So I'll see y'all at the charts tomorrow as we work our way up to the big leagues together. Bye.
What are you doing?